So, how can you avoid credit repair scams? Well, first and foremost, with anything in life, if it sounds too good to be true, it's too good to be true. If someone tells you they can take you from a 540 up to like a 740 and you owe a lot of money and you know you haven't been doing the right thing, you know you haven't been paying medical bills, you know your student loans are in default, you know when you were 18 years old you destroyed a countertop in an apartment and left and never paid for it, you know you have like a past you need to clean up, guess what? They're scamming you. Maybe they don't have all the information, but it's not going to end up in your best interest if you go through with that. So in any situation, what you need to do is take personal responsibility and actually download an app. You can download any app you want. The one I like is CreditWise because it's free and it's connected with a bank. It's connected with the ability for you to get financing for things that you need and credit building credit cards, right? So I would download that app and look and see exactly where you are. What things are on your credit report that you still need to pay? And what things can you actually write letters to get taken off, right? Start to be responsible, start to take those steps. There's tips on there for how to set a budget, how to improve your credit. It breaks down things by category to know how much you're spending on entertainment or other frivolous spending. It can show you habits that you can break. And so if someone calls you up and tells you they can fix all your problems, and all you have to do is give them more money and you don't have the money, and your first thought is probably to put that on a credit card, keep in mind that's probably the dumbest thing that you can do. And if it sounds too good to be true, it is.